Seasonal unemployment is another sort of unemployment that is quite common in developing countries like India. We know that seasonal unemployment, एक सीजन में काम दूसरे सीजन में काम नहीं. We in India, most of the villagers in India, most of the rural sectors in India, they produce a single crop in a year. They sow a single crop in a year, and for rest of the year they are free. So at one portion of the year, one season of the year, they are having the work, and on the another season they do not have the work. They either do nothing or either move to cities for some work, to look for some work. This sort of thing is known as seasonal unemployment in India. We know that for the season we require the laborers, hired laborers, खेतों में काम करने के लिए मजदूर. अब जब हमारा काम खत्म हो जाता है, जब हमारी खेती पूरी हो जाती है, कटाई हो जाती है, उसके बाद दूसरा क्रॉप तो हम लगाते नहीं. वी डोंट सो द सेकेंड क्रॉप. नॉर्मली एक ही क्रॉप होता है रूरल एरियाज में. तो उस टाइम के बाद दीज लेबरर्स, दीज हायर्ड लेबरर्स, they are free. They don't have the work to do. They cannot be absorbed in any of the things. So this sort of thing gives birth to seasonal unemployment, which is the third common part of unemployment, or third different style of unemployment that is very common in India. ये नॉर्थ इंडिया हो, साउथ इंडिया हो, वेस्ट इंडिया हो, ईस्ट इंडिया हो, सेंट्रल इंडिया हो, एवरीवेयर, समवेयर वीट इज़ ग्रोन, समवेयर राइस इज़ ग्रोन. मेजर क्रॉप हो जाने के बाद किसान खाली होता है, जो लेबर होती है वो खाली होती है. दे डोंट हैव द वर्क. तो एक तरीके से वो खेतों में जब फसल का समय होता है तभी उनके पास काम होता है. उसके बाद वो बेकाम हो जाते हैं, उनके पास कोई काम नहीं होता, अनएम्प्लॉयड हो जाते हैं. एंड दिस सिस्टम इज नोन एज seasonal unemployment in India, where the workforce in India has limited work for one season, and after the season is over the workforce is devoid of work. It looks for some different modes of work. It looks to migrate to cities to find some work, and this creates a panic situation and a situation of I would be saying unemployment that is temporary, that is seasonal, that is only for a part of the year, and that is why this is very common. This unemployment is very common in developing countries like India. Okay, so this is called seasonal unemployment in India. So this completes our major part of the chapter, the three types of unemployment. Now in the next video I'll be sharing you the last part of the chapter, the steps taken by the government to eradicate the problem of unemployment, to solve the problems of unemployment. क्या क्या steps लिए गए हैं, कितना steps ये कारगर हैं, कितना कारगर नहीं है, and that will complete our chapter fully. Okay, so I hope you are going through the chapters, you are going through the videos, and for 2-3 days I have not shared the notes. Today I will be sharing all the notes, complete notes of the chapter with you 9th class students. I am also requesting you, we are going to have your tests very soon, in which a major part of the syllabus will come. I will discuss something with you, and so please be very very punctual. Please be very very attentive to your studies. I know by the views that you are giving me, the views that are coming, that you all are watching the videos. I hope the videos are getting clear to you. Subscribe to my channel. You can call me also, so that I could know whether you are really having the problem or you are not having the problem. I hope I am teaching good enough that you are not having the problem. Still, if somebody wants to ask, he or she is free to ask. It is bye for